Operating this printer is remarkably straightforward thanks to its responsive 4.3-inch color touchscreen, which allows for complete standalone operation without needing a computer or smartphone. Its versatility is a major advantage, as the fast-drying solvent ink adheres cleanly to a wide variety of porous and non-porous surfaces, including plastic, metal, wood, and fabric. You can create and print detailed, high-resolution content like QR codes, company logos, barcodes, and multi-line text with impressive clarity up to 600 resolution. The device supports printing up to 1 inch in height and can handle print jobs of virtually unlimited length, making it suitable for both small labels and long banners. The included original black ink cartridge is engineered to prevent common issues like nozzle clogging and produces a sharp, waterproof print once it is dried. This printer arrives as a comprehensive kit, complete with a positioning plate for precise alignment, a U-disc for importing designs, and a stylus for easy screen navigation.